Guys, today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly smartwatches, and we've got two exciting models for you to see. It's the Runmefit Watch 4 and GTR 3. And I've got to tell you, after spending some time with these watches, I'm actually pretty impressed. So let's take a look at what these affordable smartwatches have to offer and see if these budget options can compete with the big names. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, if you don't know Runmefit, well, they're a maker of smartwatches and fitness trackers, and I have to say that looking at their gear and what they cost, they're very interesting. Now, before we get into it, Runmefit sent me these two smartwatches to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get them out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first up, let's open up the GTR 3. Here we have some instructions. We also have the proprietary charging cable, and then we have the watch itself. Yeah, you know what? I'm not a great lover of proprietary charging cables, but with these types of smartwatches, it's pretty commonplace. Now, here you can see this watch is very nice. Okay, it's in pink, which I'm okay with, but it's actually part of the ladies edition. They do a black version as well, but like I said, I quite like the pink. Now guys, let's get the Watch 4 unboxed. So a more traditional kind of watch box here. Open it up and you've got a couple of compartments, one containing the paperwork and the other containing that same proprietary charging cable. Then guys, to the watch itself. Well, this is a bit more Apple Watch-like. Even the buttons look really similar. The case is still this kind of space grey alloy and it feels really nice. The strap, I'd say, in my opinion, isn't quite as nice as the GTR 3, but if you wanted to, you can kind of remove both straps on these watches. They have these spring clips and take a standard 22mm strap. Now guys, first off, let's talk about what these watches have in common. Both the Watch 4 and the GTR 3 work with iOS and Android devices. They each have their own companion app for easy setup and customization. Both watches have removable and changeable rubber straps, as I already said, and this means, you know what, you can switch up your look to match your style. I like them both really, but anyway, one of the standout features on both of these models is the stunning, and I mean stunning, AMOLED display. The Watch 4 boasts a 1.95-inch rectangular screen, and the GTR 3 goes for a more traditional look with a 1.43-inch round display. And I have to say guys, out of all of the budget watches that I've reviewed to date, these are by far the best screens that I've seen. Now, let's start with a detailed look at the GTR 3. This round-faced beauty packs a lot of features into its sleek design. Like I said, a 1.43-inch AMOLED display, which is crisp and easy to read in all lighting conditions. Now, health tracking is a big focus here with sensors for heart rate, blood oxygen and stress levels. And one of the cool features is the auto detection for running, walking and cycling. No need to manually start your workout. The watch does it for you. The GTR 3 also supports Bluetooth calls and smart notifications. This means you can stay connected without constantly reaching for your phone. Also guys, the GTR 3 offers over 100 sports modes. Whether you're into running, cycling, yoga or high intensity workouts, this watch has got you covered. Just choose your activity and start tracking. It's a great way to stay consistent and build healthy habits. Now guys, health tracking goes beyond just workouts with the GTR 3. It keeps an eye on your well-being 24/7. Track your heart rate, variability, stress levels and sleep patterns. This continuous monitoring helps you understand your body much better, and you can use these insights to make informed decisions about your health and fitness. Also guys, battery life is always a concern with smartwatches, and the GTR 3 doesn't disappoint, offering 10 days of use on a single charge. This long battery life means less time tethered to a charger and more time on the go. And guys, customization is key for many smartwatch users, right? The GTR 3 lets you personalize your experience with custom watch faces. Choose a variety of designs or create your own to match your style. Overall guys, the GTR 3 aims to be your all-in-one fitness companion. It helps manage your daily routine, provides health insights and supports your fitness goals. And all of this comes in a really nice package that feels nice and looks nice on the wrist. And I've got to say, I really like the design. Now guys, let's shift our focus to the Watch 4. This rectangular face smartwatch brings its own set of impressive features to the table. Now, one of its standout features is its AI-powered sleep insights. The Watch 4 doesn't just track your sleep, it helps you understand it. Sync your sleep data with the Runmefit app to get personalized AI insights. These insights can help you develop healthier sleep habits and improve your overall wellness. And the best part, guys, this feature is subscription free. Now guys, activity tracking on the Watch 4 is designed for precision. It records your heart rate, pace, calories burned, and more with high accuracy. This detailed data can help you fine-tune your workouts and reach your fitness goals much faster. And like the GTR 3, this Watch 4 also features auto detection for running and cycling. Just start moving and the watch will begin tracking your workout automatically. This hands-free approach lets you focus on your exercise without fiddling with settings. Also guys, battery life is another strong point with the Watch 4. With normal daily use, you can expect to get up to 15 days of battery life. I mean, that's over 2 weeks of use before needing a charge. I mean, that's pretty impressive for a smartwatch. And also guys, the Watch 4 boasts an upgraded chip for enhanced performance. This means faster processing, smoother navigation around the watch, and quicker loading times. The improved efficiency also contributes to the watch's excellent battery life. And guys, usability is key with any smartwatch, and the Watch 4 doesn't disappoint. It features 2 intuitive side buttons for easy control, and these buttons make it simple to view, swipe, switch between functions, which is especially handy during workouts or when your hands are sweaty. Imagine easily checking your pace and heart rate while running on a treadmill. Now, in terms of build quality, both the GTR 3 and the Watch 4 offer a lot of value for their price points. They bring many features typically found in more expensive smartwatches. The choice between the two might come down to personal preference in design. I mean, if you prefer the classic round face of the GTR 3 or you like the modern look of the Watch 4, just let me know in the comments, guys. So there you have it. Watch 4 and GTR 3, these budget-friendly smartwatches pack a punch with their features and performance. They prove that you don't need to break the bank for a quality smartwatch experience. Which one caught your eyes, guys? The round GTR 3 or the rectangular Watch 4? You let me know in the comments below. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can find both of these smartwatches and a ton more on the Runmefit website. I'll leave any product links and the discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Runmefit for sending me these impressive smartwatches to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.